Hey there, it's Ifeobi. You're welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to be taking it all the way back to natural hair care basics with this video on how to do a pre-poo. Now, pre-poo is the process of treating your hair with an oil, a conditioner, or a mixture of both in preparation of shampooing your hair. Now, I'm going to be making use of my all-time favorite oil, which is the coconut oil with a few drops of essential oils, for more effect. So I've put my hair in a couple of sections to make this pre-poo easy for me. I don't know how many that is, I don't know, but I've put it in a couple of sections, and I'm going to be working on my hair section by section. So I'm going to start off by applying my oil onto my scalp, making use of an applicator bottle because applicator bottles make application of oil very easy. So I'm going to apply my oil and I'm also going to massage it in. I'm also going to go into every section of my hair by firstly taking them down, applying the oil and detangling my hair. After the whole process of applying my oil to my scalp, applying my oil to my hair strands, and making sure that the oil penetrates my scalp and my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and twist my hair back up. And I'm just going to do this to all sections of my hair, applying the oil, making sure it penetrates, brushing it out, and twisting it back up. I separate the ones that I've added the treatment to from the ones that I haven't applied the treatment to, so I don't mix them all up. The purpose of pre-shampooing is to protect and strengthen your hair from the stripping and harsh effects of the shampooing process. Also, pre-pooing helps improve the manageability of your hair. It makes detangling very easy, restores moisture, it restores shine. It also helps to reduce hair loss. It keeps your hair healthy, improves hair growth and volume. It improves your hair's gloss and feel. So yeah, I'm going to make use of my aloe vera on my edges just because it works very well for my edges. I'm going to be covering my hair with a plastic bag so that it can help retain heat in my hair, and I'm going to cover that up with my hair bonnet for more heat, of course. And I'm going to be leaving this overnight for my pre-poo to do its wonders. Welcome back. So this is the next day and I left my pre-poo overnight. I'm going to be taking out my bonnet and my plastic bag that I have beneath. This is my hair bonnet. I have to wash this. This is my plastic bag. So guys, I noticed something. It's kind of wet inside. That's to show you that there was heat all through the night, and then the nutrients from the oil got into my hair, and also my hair is nice and ready to be washed. So no matter how much I wash my hair, I'm still going to have a bit of oil sitting in. So guys, this is how my hair looks. It looks so moisturized and ready for the wash day. It also even feels wet because of the heat that went on overnight. Pre-poo is very important for your hair before you do the shampooing. Like I said, pre-poo is a process you carry out before shampooing. Pre-poo, pre-shampoo. This is your first time stopping by my channel, please, to do me a lot of good, kindly like my video, kindly subscribe to my channel, and if you have those that don't really understand what Prepoo means, kindly share. I will see you on my next one.